Today we are discussing about this grandish paper. Okay, yes, listen. Question number 1. What is that? See, in this question number 1, just a minute, I want to explain clearly. Look at here. Yeah, see, yes, in this question number 1, we have to discuss about this. Yeah, calculate the number of protons, neutrons, electrons present in. Calculate the number of protons, electrons, neutrons present in nitride ion. Nitride ion. That's what they are asking you. So, how to calculate the number of protons, neutrons, and nitrate ion? Okay, look at here. See, nitride means n minus 3. N minus 3 means, just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute, my dear students. Yeah. Now, I am saying about nitride ion. Nitride ion means n minus 3. In this n minus 3, number of electrons, protons and neutrons present in nitride ion n minus 3 contains how many protons? Atomic number is 7, mass number is 14. They are saying whole minus 3. So, protons equal to 7. Number of electrons equal to atomic number plus modulus of charge value. It is equal to 7 plus 3. It is 10. And neutrons equal to A minus Z. Means 14 minus 7. It is 7. So what is your option now? Option 2. Option 2 is your correct answer. Yeah. Now question number 122. Question number 122. The order of filling of electrons in thallium. How to approach this kind of model question? See, first of all, you should know titanium. They are saying titanium. Titanium atomic number. Scuti Vikroman, Fico Nikunj. Manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. 21, 22. So, electrons filling, you follow this principle 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, then 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p, 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, 4f and 5f. Now this is the increasing order of energy. Increasing order of their energy. So here we have to write titanium 22 means 1s2, next 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Just a minute, I just want to check once. Yeah. Yeah, here what is happening actually? See, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Okay, wait. Okay, now I'm able to see this properly. 1s2, 2s2, p6, 3s2, 3p6. After 3p6, 4s, 4s2, then 3d2 because titanium 22. Now 10, 20, 22. So what is your option now? Option 4s and 3d. It is the second option. go to second option. Okay, next. See the symbol for element UNE. U means un, nilium and bium, right? So what I am saying now, see, look at here again. I'm unable to see that, but I'm saying that this is UUB. UUB means unnillium bium. Unnillium and bium means it is NEM. NEM is 9. NEM means 9. Therefore, it should be 1. Nillium means 0. NEM means 9. It should be option 2. Okay? Yeah. Next question. Yeah, the order of acidic property. Acidic property. Which is the, now they're asking which is the correct representation of properties. Okay? Yes. What is that? You have to understand this point very clearly. So, acidic property. If you go from left to right in the periodic table, metal oxide or metal oxide is always basic. Like that, it is basic, weakly basic, acidic. So, statement 1 is correct. And electron gain enthalpy, no, it is not correct, because chlorine should have more electron gain than fluorine than bromine. So it is incorrect statement. Next, size. Ionic size depends upon charge. So size is directly proportional to anionic charge. Anionic charge. And inversely proportional to cationic charge. Cationic charge. Therefore, it is correct. This is wrong. Next one, the second ionization enthalpy of copper is much more than second ionization enthalpy of potassium. No, because copper is having argon 4s 1 3d 10, and potassium is having, what is the configuration? Argon 4s 1. Now if you remove one electron, it is called I1. So that will become K plus. K plus is having argon configuration, and Cu plus having argon 3d10. So if you compare this and this, it has more ionization enthalpy. So it is incorrect. So which options are correct here now? Question number 120, 124. 124, first one is true. Fourth option, it should be fourth option. Second one is false. Third one is true. Fourth one is false. Done. Now I'll go to next one. Group of ions according to bond order. They are asking according to bond order. So look very properly. What is the bond order of O minus 2? Here bond order has formula. If there are 14 electrons, bond order is 3.0. If 13 electrons, bond order 2.5. 12 electrons, bond order 2.0. 11 electrons, bond order 1.5. 10 electrons, bond order 0.5. 9 electrons. Yeah, see that 14, 3. 13, 2.5. 12 electrons, 2.0. 11 electrons, 1.5. 10 electrons, 1.0. 9 electrons, 0.5. 8 electrons, 0.0. Like that. If you see O minus 2, oxygen atomic number 8. 2 oxygen atoms plus 2, right? Again, minus means one more extra electron we should add. So it is 17 electrons. Same thing we can also explain. 14 electrons, 3.0. So 15 electrons. Again, 15 electrons, 2.5. 16 electrons, 2.0. 17 electrons, 1.5. 18 electrons, 1.0. 19 electrons, 0.5. 20 electrons, 0.0. So if you consider O minus 2, how many electrons? 17 electrons. 17 electrons means bond order is 1.5. Yeah. Next, lithium. Lithium. If you consider lithium, so lithium 2. O2 minus they are saying. O2 minus 8 plus 8 plus 1, 17 electrons, 1.5. Now what they are saying, the group or ions according to bond order. So according to bond order, yeah, lithium 2 we have to find out bond order. See, 1s2, 2s1. It is one lithium, another lithium, 1s2, 2s1. Now this is the arrangement of electrons in the orbitals. Sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2. Next lithium another sigma 2s2, sigma 2s1. Here 2s1, it is also 2s1. Now what is the bond order now? Bond order is equal to 1 by 2 into number of bonding electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2. It is 2. Okay. Now you see O2 minus, what is the bond order of O2 minus? Something we went wrong here. See, O2 minus means, I will explain clearly, listen properly. If I am saying O2 minus, what is the bond order? O2 minus, oxygen, oxygen. See, whenever electronic arrangement is like this, right? If the electrons are above 14 electrons, 0, arrangement, 880, 880. This is 2p4, it is 2p5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now bond order is equal to 1 by 2 into, you can calculate only p electrons also, no problem. See here actually it is 1s2, sigma 1s2, it is also sigma star 1s2. Like that it is having sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Now these are bonding electrons. Count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-bonding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. It is 1.5. Yeah. O2 minus is 1.5. Now what they are saying? Group of molecules or ions according to bond order. Lithium 2. I think it is O2 2 minus. It must be 2 minus. If you consider O2 2 minus, you go to previous page, O2 2 minus. O2 2 minus, if you are considering, what is the bond order of O2 2 minus? O2 2 minus. Number of electrons are how many? 18 electrons. Bond order 1.0. Yeah. So it should be O2 2 minus. Correction. It is bond order 1. It is bond order 1. It is also bond order 1 because 19 electrons. Fluorine. Fluorine F2. F2 means 18 electrons. 18. Because fluorine atomic number 9. 19. If I am saying F2, 18 electrons. So 18 electrons means 1.0. So helium 2, 2 plus. Helium atomic number. See properly. If you see the helium atomic number 2. So helium 2, helium 1s2, another helium also 1s2. But they are saying helium 2, 2 plus. Means remove 1 electron. It will become 1s1. It is also becoming 1s1. If you write their configuration, it is 2 electrons. So bond order is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. So it is 1. So if you are considering previous question, this set is correct. Which set is correct? Option C, set is correct. All are bond order 1.0. This is a correction. O2 2 minus correction. Next, here N2 bond order 3.0 because N2 14 electrons. O2 2 plus. O2 2 plus. O2 2 plus means oxygen atomic number 8. Right? Another oxygen atomic number 8. 18. 8 plus 8 16. They are saying 2 plus means remove 2 electrons. Minus 2 14 electrons. It is also 3.0. It is the correct option, but small correction is there. Please notice that point, very important. So option 3 is coming. Option 3. Okay, yeah. Next, here also same thing, same pattern. What is that? They are saying lithium 2. Definitely bond order is 1. N2 bond order is 3. Beryllium 2 bond order is how much beryllium? Beryllium, here also beryllium 1s2 2s2. It is also 1s2 2s2. Right. Now here bond order is equal to beryllium 2. It should be 0. Why? Because here sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2 and sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. So bond order is equal to 1 by 2 into number of bonding minus number of anti-bonding. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 2 into 4 minus anti-bonding electrons. 4. It is 0. It is 0. And O2, 16 electrons. 16 electrons means bond order is 2.0. So identify correctly match. Lithium 1. 1 means it should be 3. And N2, 3 means it should be 1. Next one, beryllium 2, it should be 4. Then O2, it should be 2. It is 5. So what I am saying now, A3, it is the option belongs to C. Option belongs to, we have to see the correct option. Correct option, match the correct order. Lithium 3, 3 means A3, okay, and B, lithium 1, 1 means 3, okay, 1 means 3, and nitrogen 1, and beryllium 0, 4, and oxygen 2.0, 5, it is second option, option 2, 126, option 2, okay, yeah. Next, now helium molecule is 2 times heavier than hydrogen molecule at 298 Kelvin. According to kinetic theory, average kinetic energy of helium molecules. All of you listen very properly. Average kinetic energy is directly proportional to average kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Absolute temperature. So it should be option C, same as that of hydrogen molecules. Okay, yeah. Now I just want to see once. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, yeah. Now look at here. If I am writing on paper on this screen, fine. Now I'll discuss about next topic. Next question. The ratio between the most probable speed most probable speed and then nitrogen. Yeah, what is that? It is most probable speed of nitrogen and at 400 Kelvin and carbon monoxide at 800 Kelvin. Molar mass are given. Ratio most probable speed Cp is equal to root over 2RT by m, right? Yeah. Now it is Cp. It is Cp1. Another Cp2 is equal to root over 2RT2 by m2. It is m1. It is t1. You can cancel 2r 2r. So you can say root t1 by m1 into m2 by t2. So t1 is given 400 by molar mass of nitrogen 28 into molar mass of oxygen is 30, carbon monoxide 28 by temperature 800. So you can cancel, it will be 1 by root 2. Means 1 by root 2 means what your option? 1 by root 2 means it should be 1 by root 2. Root 2 are, see, the ratio between the most probable speed of N2 gas at 400 Kelvin and carbon monoxide at 800 Kelvin. This is at 400 Kelvin. Molar mass is 28. Okay. Next, it is molar mass is 28. 800 Kelvin. So definitely it will cancel Cp1 by Cp2. It is cancelling. It is 1 by root 2. Confirm. So it is equal to 1 by 1.414. That should be your option. 1.414. So what is that option now? Here, just a minute. We are expecting the same option, but here the answer that is not matching. Just a minute. Where is the problem? Yeah, correct only. 1 by root 2, it is 1.07. It is 1:0.707. Correct. Yeah. Similarly, the relative abundance of percentage of C14. It is directly memory based question. Whenever memory based question is coming, directly you can adopt the option accordingly. Yeah, it is 2 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 4. 2 into 10 power minus 4. That you have to memorize. It is a memory based question. Next, question number 130. Calculate the molarity of the solution of 93% H2SO4 by weight by volume. There is a formula. Molarity is equal to weight percentage into density or specific gravity into 10 whole by gram molecular weight. So weight percentage 93 into density 1.84 into 10 by 98. You solve it. If you are solving, finally you will get molarity. The molarity, just a minute. The final value that we are getting, molarity, because it is a kind of solution, we have to solve it. After solving, we are getting question number 130. If you are solving 1.042, it's 1.042 molar. Okay, 0.042 molar. Directly you can do. Because they are asking calculate molality, not molarity. You got molarity. We got. We have another formula, molality is equal to 1000 into molarity whole by, this molarity we have to find out, whole by 1000 into density minus capital M into molecular weight of solute. This value is incorrect. Okay, I will solve the question. What is that value? What is that value? See, because it is a shortcut formula. See, 93 into 1.84 into 10 divided by 98. It is 17.46 we are getting. 17.46 molar we are getting. It is one approach. And another approach is there. What is it? Another approach. See, we have a formula. What is that formula? Another approach. Molality is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by weight of solvent. Weight of solvent in grams is the formula. Here given density. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass by volume. Mass, this is mass of solution. Mass of solution means mass of solute plus mass of solvent is equal to density into volume. Yeah, previously what it is given? 1.84 gram per cc, 93%, 1 liter given. So here it is given 1.84 gram per cc. So 1.84 into, what is their volume? 1 liter, 1000 ml. Take 1840, right? Now here solute is given 93%. Yeah, like this also you can consider. If they have given 93%, 93% means 93%, 100 ml contains 93 grams of solute. Now 1000 ml contains 930 gram of solute. Now you subtract 930, you will get weight of solvent. Weight of solvent. Now molality is equal to weight of solute 93 by molar mass into 1000 by mass of solvent 910. That you solve it. If you solve it, you will get finally 1.042 mole. Like that you can approach. Another way also I am saying, there are two methods. What is other method? What is other method? See, molality is equal to 1000 into molarity whole by 1000 into density minus molarity into gram molecular weight of solute. We are finding molarity. Molarity is equal to weight percentage into density or specific gravity into 10 whole by gram molecular weight. You find its value, substitute here, density substitute here, then you substitute here, everything, you will get finally molality. This is another approach. Fine. Next. Now, among the chemical reactions given below, which is increase in entropy, degree of disorderness. Entropy means degree of disorderness. Here, liquid water, less number of particles, and it is water vapor, more particles. So entropy increasing. Carbon dioxide, here carbon monoxide, 2 particles, increasing. Entropy increasing. Here 2 mole of H2, 1 mole of O2, becoming 2 mole of liquid. These are gases. These are all gases, right? Now it is a liquid. So entropy decreased. No. Here N2 plus O2, mixture of NO2, N2 and O2. Then in this case, what we have to adopt now? Under these conditions, entropy is increasing in which cases? Here, mixture of NO2, mixture of N2 and O2 means many. So it should be option A, B, D. A, B, D is your option, not C. Next, question number, formation of ammonia. Formation of ammonia from N2 and O2. Equilibrium constant for reverse reaction. First, what is that reaction? N2 plus 3 mole of H2 equilibrates 2 mole of ammonia. This is a forward reaction. Here concentration of N2 given. How much given? 1.5 into 10 power minus 2. And hydrogen given 3.0 into 10 power minus 2. Ammonia given 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. Now they are asking reverse reaction, means 2 mole of NH3 equilibrates N2 gas plus 3 mole of H2 gas. Now Kc is equal to N2 gas into H2 gas whole power 3 whole by ammonia gas power 2. So if you are simplifying, substitute the values 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 into 3.0 into 10 power minus 2 whole cube whole by 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. If you are simplifying, upon simplification, finally what you are getting now after simplification, the value you are getting is, finally I calculated here, finally we are getting some, just a minute, let me see once. Finally you are getting, it is formation of N2 gas plus H2. Question number, what is that question number? 130, 132, 132. After solving, you will get a second option. You try, because it is time consuming. This is a method. Estimate the approximate pKa of point. Yeah, how to approach this kind of questions? Estimate. See, first you write the equilibrium reaction. Acetic acid undergo dissociation giving acetate ion plus H plus ion. Now, initial degree of dissociation is given. Okay, initial concentration 0.5, 0.5, 0, 0. Now, equilibrium concentration 0.5, 0.5 minus alpha, alpha, alpha. Now, acid dissociation constant. Here, whenever concentration is given, you cannot write directly like this. You should write 0.5 into 1 minus alpha. Okay? It is 0.5 alpha. It is 0.5 alpha. Now, Ka is equal to 0.5 alpha into 0.5 alpha by 0.5 into 1 minus alpha given. How much given alpha? 0.15. 0.15. You simplify. If you simplify, you will get this also, you substitute, and upon some simplification, finally what you are getting now? Finally, question number 133. Finally, we are getting 1.88. You substitute this. Finally, you will get 1.88. Done. Next, the natural abundance of hydrogen is, this is also memory based. It's a memory based. Option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. It is a memory based. Next, calcium on heating with N2 yield. Calcium upon heating with N2, it is forming calcium nitride. Ca plus N2 forming Ca3N2. Yeah. Which upon reaction with water, 6 mole of water forming calcium hydroxide, liberate ammonia gas. Now they are asking gas B. It is gas B. And then they are asking yield compound A. It is compound A. So calcium nitride and ammonia gas. It is second option. Question number 135. Question number 135, second option, correct. Next, question number 136, formula borax, direct. Formula borax Na2B4O7 and 10H2O. 10H2O, it is the formula borax. Okay, direct formula. See, it exists as that I will discuss if time is there at the end. Next, the allotrope of carbon, which does each carbon atom forms 4 bond with each other. What is that? Diamond. Because that is only carbon. That is only the carbon which forms 4 bonds with all. Because only if you consider graphite, each carbon linked by 3 more other carbons. Like this. 3 more other carbons. This is graphite. This is graphite. Sorry, graphite. Like that. So, it is not. It is also not. Only diamond, each carbon connected by 4 different carbons. So, option C. Yeah. Next, question number 138. 138. Which of the following is not involved in photochemical smog formation? Which is not involved? It is definitely oxide of sulfur is not involved in photochemical fog formation. Okay, O3 is it is not involving. It is involving. It is involving. It is involving. Similarly, question number 139. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? It is a main functional group. Ketone is the main functional group. Here numbering is giving like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you can call it as it is ethyl. Alphabetical order: 3 ethyl, 4 hydroxy, cyclohexanone. Done. So option 2 hydroxy, 3 ethyl, 4 hydroxy. Option C. 139. Option C. Okay. 138 what we are given? Yeah. 139 option C. Next 140. Number of possible constitutional isomers of C6H14. C6H14. Okay. Number of isomers C6H14. See, whenever there is a formula given like this, there is a shortcut formula 2 power n minus 4 plus 1, right? 6 carbons, 2 power 6 minus 4 plus 1 means 2 power 2 plus 1. It is 5. It is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the formula. Up to 7 carbons. The formula applicable up to 7 carbons in alkanes. Next, now the process of formation of nitronium ion. Nitric acid act as, first of all we should know nitration mixture HNO3 1:1 ratio of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid. HNO3, HO, NO2, sulfuric acid H plus HSO4 minus, NO2 plus OH minus. Now H plus and OH minus combine. It leads to form water plus NO2 plus HSO4 minus nitronium ion. In this formation, it is act as a base because OH minus ion donor. It is releasing OH minus. Who is releasing HNO3? Therefore, it acts as a base. Next, another one. Sodium chloride heated in atmosphere of sodium vapor. So, the resultant yellow color formation of F center. Why? Because when you are heating, just a minute. Yeah. See, when you are heating sodium chloride like sodium, chlorine, like that. Again chlorine, sodium, again sodium, chlorine, chlorine. If it is on strongly heating with sodium vapor, this chlorine will come out. So, or this chlorine will come out. So, creating sodium, I want to write chlorine, sodium, chlorine, next chlorine, sodium, vacancy, sodium and sodium, chlorine, sodium, chlorine. Now there is a vacancy. Into this vacancy electrons are entering. So it is called free electron center. Free electron center means this electron absorb one of the violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. It absorb one of the color, right, and transmit opposite color. So it looks like yellow color. It is due to F center, free electron center, or you can also call it as metal excess defect, or anion deficiency defect. Next, calculate approximate delta TB of 0.001 molal KCl. Van 't Hoff factor is given. Directly we know formula delta TB is equal to small I into Kb into molality. So you can directly find out what is that delta TB. See, I value for KCl, it is K plus and Cl minus. So I value is equal to 2. So 2 into, what is the value of Kb? Kb 0.52 into molality, how much? Now Van 't Hoff factor also given, that we should not take 2. So 1.98 into 0.52 into 1 into 10 power minus 3, that is molal. So that you substitute. Finally, what you are getting now? Finally, question number 140. Question number 143. 143. Finally, you are getting option B. You simplify this, you will get option B. Next, Henry's law constant. This is a very interesting and important point. See, according to Henry's law, what is the formula? Solubility is equal to Kh into mole fraction. Now it is given under 5 bar pressure. See, Henry's law constant is given 1.67 kilobar quantity of CO2 in 1000 ml. See, it is given as 5 bar is equal to solubility means the pressure of carbon dioxide. Kh value given 1.67 into 10 power 3 mole fraction of carbon dioxide means quantity, means number of moles of carbon dioxide by number of moles of CO2 plus 1000 by water, molar mass 18. So if you simplify, you will get this can be neglected. You want only this one. Now number of moles of carbon dioxide equal to, finally what you are getting? Finally 140, question number 144. Finally we are getting option B, 0.167 moles. They are asking amount 0.167 into 44 grams. Like that we can approach. Yeah. Next, what is this equation? Question number 145. 145. What is the question? Which of the following concept represents the knownest equation? You have to know one point very clearly. What is that? Just a minute, I want to see the question. Yeah, 145. What is the equation relating to 45? See, always you should know. Yeah, in question number 45, they are saying we have a formula delta G is equal to delta G naught plus 2.303 RT log products by reactants. This is one formula. It is correct. Another one. What is other one? Yeah, you can write this equation as delta G naught is equal to you write this everything to right side, delta G minus 2.303 RT log products by reactants. Now what I am saying, if you take the reciprocal, it will become plus 2.303 RT log reactants by products. So it is delta G naught. It is correct. It is also correct. So 1 and 3 are correct. 1 and 3 are correct. Question number 146. For a particular reaction, the rate constant become double on increasing the temperature. This one. Calculate approximate activation energy. Yeah, there is a formula. What is the formula? Log K2 by K1 is equal to E of A by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 whole by T1 T2. Here it is doubled, they are saying approximate activation energy. Rate constant becomes doubled. Doubled means K2 become 2K1. So this and this are cancelled. Log 2, it is 0.30 0.3010 is equal to activation energy by 2.303 into, they are saying in kilocalorie. So 2 into 10 power minus 3 into T2 minus T1, T2, 37. 37 is 310 Kelvin minus 300 Kelvin whole by 300 into 310. On solving activation energy, you will get, it is question number 146. Yeah, question 146. Finally, you will get 12.89 kilojoules. 12890 joules you are getting. I'm sorry, calories you are getting. Calories. They are asking kilocalories. No, directly we are getting. If you are not writing this, just a minute. If you are not writing that, you will get the option kilocalories only. It is minus 3 kilocalorie we wrote already. So 12.890 kilocalorie. Right? According to, because simplification is time consuming, we are just saying the method of approach. Next, identify here previously second option 140. Yeah. Next, for a particular reaction, identify correct statement from the following. In the oxidation of oxalic acid by KMnO4, Mn+2 act as auto catalyst. Correct. It is correct. Correct statement. Cadmium sulfide colloidal solution can be precipitated by addition of Cl minus. It is negative catalyst. Cadmium sulfide is a positive catalyst. So addition of Cl minus, precipitation takes place. Next, another one. Just a minute. Yeah. Now, just a minute. This is question number 147. Yeah. Cadmium sulfide we cannot coagulate because it is precipitated by addition of Cl minus. No. Next, gold number of 3 protective layers are given. It is memory based. It is correct. Physisorption is an irreversible process. No. Reversible process. It is incorrect. A and C are correct. Okay. Yeah. A and C are correct. 147. Next, question number 148. Question number 148. Yeah. What is that here? In the oxidation reducing agents, the cyanide process, silver from argentite ore. Oxidizing and reducing agents, oxygen and zinc dust. It is direct memory based question. Zinc dust. Aqueous ammonia readily dissolve in silver chloride. Why? Because aqueous ammonia reacts with silver chloride forming AgNH3 taken twice whole plus Cl minus. It should be option 4. Soluble complex. Next, what is the final chemical form of gold when it is dissolved in aqua regia? AuCl4 minus. Why? Because aqua regia is 3:1 ratio of concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3. So, if it is reacting 3 mole of HCl plus HNO3, then what it is giving? It is giving 2 mole of H2O plus NOCl. It breaks down into NO dot and Cl dot. It attacks on gold, forming AuCl3. It again reacts by HCl, forming AuCl4 whole minus. That should be your option. Yeah. Next one. Identify actinide series. Identify. It is question number. Yeah. Identify actinide series in the following. Yeah. It is lutetium, lawrencium, and thorium. Actinide series. Lutetium, lawrencium, and thorium. Identify actinide series. This is question number 151. No, it is incorrect. Protactinium, promethium, and plutonium. It is lutetium because lanthanide series belongs from cerium to lutetium. Cerium 58 to lutetium 71. It is not belongs to actinide series. Thorium 92, lawrencium 103. Thorium, protactinium, all these things will come. Plutonium, all these things. So option 2. It is not correct. It is not correct. Similarly, question number 153. 153. Yeah. What is that? See, question number 153. What is that given? According to that, once I want to read the question properly. In question number 153, question number 153. Yeah. What is the data given? Identify the monomers. 150. Oh, okay, this one. Consider the complexes. Total number of geometrical isomers. Total number of geometrical isomers is same as that of total number of geometrical isomers. A is same as that of A. First, A is having how many geometrical isomers? A is same as that of geometrical isomers of what? Definitely it is second compound. Why? Because here geometrical isomers of A, here you are writing palladium, ammonia, chlorine, and bromine. So again palladium, ammonia, and chlorine, ammonia, and bromine. Two geometrical isomers. Same thing, it is also two geometrical isomers. So it should be option B. Next, question number. Here, identify monomers in the following. Monomers in the following. Question number 153. Question 153. Identify monomers in the following. It should be option C. Why? Because it is glyptol and tertiary. These are the monomers of the following. It is not clear actually. You can adopt option 3. Option 3. 150. 153. It is option 3. Yeah. Next. Now, I just want to see remaining questions. 154. What is that? 153. Option C. Because it is, you can check directly. Next, 154. Which of the following is present in RNA only? RNA only. What is that? See, we have in DNA. What are present in DNA? Adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Instead of thymine, uracilase is present. Uracil is present. It should be option C. Question number 154. Next, question number 155. 155. What are the groups here? What are the group present in 155? Definitely it is memory based. So it should be first option. First option. Next, question number 156. Yeah. In this case, what are the reaction of 1,6-dibromohexane with zinc dust? 1,6-dibromohexane with zinc dust. What happens? 1,6-dibromohexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,6-dibromo with zinc dust. It is a free radical mechanism. This free radical mechanism 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It forms cyclohexane. So A4. Reaction of ethanol with concentrated one at 170 degrees centigrade, 443 Kelvin. 443 means 273, 0, 170. It is forming ethylene gas. Major product in the reaction of propene in the presence of benzoyl peroxide. Propene, HBr. It is anti-Markovnikov rule, anti-MK rule. So it is the product formed. Br will attach here, H will attach here. So it should be third option. Next, reaction of 1,1-dibromopropane with sodamide. 1,1-dibromopropane. First it leads to form vinyl bromide, which again upon reaction by sodamide, it leads to form propyne. So it should be 1. So if you consider, what should be your option now? Option 1, 4, B2, C3 and D1. First option. Yeah. Now major product in the following reaction. What is a major product? If it is on reaction by NaOH and CaCl3, what is a major product? It is a Riemann-Tiemann reaction. It is a product. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Right? Why? Because it is, no, 1 minute. The major product in the following. When phenol on reaction with sodium hydroxide and it is wrong. It is a correct. Because phenol on reaction, upon reaction with chloroform CHCl3 and sodium hydroxide, it first form dichlorocarbene and vacant orbital and dichlorocarbene. Right? Yeah, I'm in paper discussion. It will finish in 10 minutes. So dichlorocarbene, it will go and attach here. If you are seeing the mechanism of this Kolbe reaction, you are getting O minus. Here you are getting, here if the pi bonding electrons are present here, like this, here it is phenol. First it forms phenoxide ion. Now these pi bonding electrons migrating, here negative charge and positive. Now dichlorocarbene, this vacant orbital will attach here. Carbon connected by lone pair and 2 chlorines. Here hydrogen is there. Now this H minus shift here. So it leads to form what it forms? Cl and Cl. Here it leads to form positive. Already negative is there. Here O minus. Positive negative forms a bond. So it leads to form a bond. It leads to form a bond. So it forms CHCl2 and O minus, which upon reaction by sodium hydroxide, so it leads to form CH, OH here and OH here, loss of water, O minus. Then it leads to form salicylaldehyde, which upon acidification it is giving Na plus. It is option 3, not 2. Sorry. Okay, this is the mechanism. Dichlorocarbene is electrophile. This is electrophile. Yeah. Next one. Yeah. Question number 158. 158. What is your option? Which of the following is the formation of benzonitrile? Benzonitrile. Yeah. Reaction of bromobenzene. Reaction of sodium nitrite HCl followed by with cuprous cyanide. See, when aniline on reaction, when aniline upon reaction with sodium nitrite and HCl at 0 degrees centigrade, it leads to form benzene diazonium chloride, which upon treatment by cuprous cyanide, it leads to form cyanobenzene and cyanobenzene and then nitrogen gas, right, followed reaction, and then it leads to form copper metal. This is called Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer. Actually, it is in the presence of cuprous cyanide plus HCl is there, HCN is there. This HCl will come out. Cyanobenzene is formed. Sandmeyer. Question number 159. 159. Yeah, here this picture is needed some, it should be 1 minute. Yeah, here actually what they're asking you from the following reactions, identify the reaction. From the following reaction, identify the reaction in which that gives carboxylic acid as product. Carboxylic acid as a product. That is their question. Yeah. Action of, yeah, see here. Action of carbon tetrachloride with phenol. It is a Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Like that. So, first phenoxide ion, it forms CCl3, which upon hydrolysis, means reaction by sodium hydroxide, then it leads to form phenoxide C, OH and OH, loss of water. So it leads to form O minus and COOH. It is on acidification. It leads to form salicylic acid. This should be your option 2. Okay. If you take this one, yeah, identify the reaction that gives carboxylic acid as product. Reaction that gives carboxylic acid as product. Here, zinc dust hydrolysis, if you break this bond, it leads to form aldehyde, not carboxylic acid. Aldehyde. It is giving benzaldehyde. It is alcohol on reaction by KMnO4 when KOH dilutes sulfuric acid. In this case, here option 4 also 4 given. Here we have to think one more thing. Option 1, 4. 1, 4 is the answer. Why? Because in this case also it is giving carboxylic acid. So it is correct, it is also correct. So 1 and 4 means option 2 is correct, 1 and 4. Next, question number 160. Yeah, in the following reaction, major product formed. See, it is a diazo coupling. Diazo coupling. This is a very interesting and important question. Why? Because here benzene diazoning chloride. This is called aniline. This is called aniline connected by methyl. This hydrogen reacting with benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. HCl is going. It leads to form diazo coupling. Diazo coupling. NH2. Then methyl. N. Double bond N. And a single bond. Benzene ring. That should be your option. So option D. Option D. I want to say one additional point here. Listen very carefully. Listen very carefully, all of you. When benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with phenol, diazo coupling takes place here. It leads to form N, double bond N. It is having OH here. Similarly, same benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with alpha naphthol. This is alpha naphthol. Here negative charge is more here. So diazo coupling this place, not here. It is here. So this is the product of alpha naphthol diazo coupling. Okay, here also another one. Similarly, same benzene diazonium chloride upon reaction with beta naphthol. Very interesting. Beta naphthol. Here more negative charge. Here also negative, but here more. So diazo coupling this side. So it leads to form coupling reaction like this. N double bond N, another benzene ring, single bond OH. Similarly, benzene diazonium chloride on reaction by another benzene ring having OH group as well as NH2 group, and it is taking place in two different stages. If the pH is 4 to 5, if the pH is 13, 10 to 13, then what happens? It is acidic, mild acidic media. So whenever mild acidic media, ammonia dominating, more negative charge here. So coupling takes place this side. Therefore, it leads to form OH here. Here NH2 is there. N double bond N, benzene ring. If it is pH is more, means basic. Basic means abstraction of H plus. So more negative charge. Then more negative charge will develop here. Therefore, coupling takes place at the site of OH. N double bond N, benzene ring. Here NH2. Right? Yeah. This is about paper discussion. AP Telangana Eamcet paper discussion. Okay, God bless you, my dear students. God bless you. God bless you, my dear students. God bless you. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you so much.